Welcome to this channel, where you'll find valuable insights and practical tools to enhance your travel experiences. By following and subscribing to this channel, you'll gain access to essential tips that can save you time, money, and effort on your travels. Today's video will focus on 12 underrated travel apps that can significantly improve your journey. These apps have been selected based on their functionality and effectiveness in different travel scenarios, ensuring that your trips are more efficient and enjoyable. The first app on the list is PackPoint, a highly useful tool that simplifies the packing process by generating a customized packing list tailored to your travel needs. Simply input your destination, travel dates, the duration of your trip, and planned activities such as hiking or swimming, and PackPoint will create a list of items you need to pack. It even checks the weather forecast for your destination to ensure you're prepared for any conditions. Although it may sometimes oversuggest items, it's a handy app for travelers looking to ensure they don't forget anything essential. Next, we have TripIt, a great app for organizing your travel plans. TripIt creates a comprehensive itinerary by automatically compiling all your bookings, including flights, hotels, and car rentals. You don't need to manually input the details. Just forward your confirmation emails to plans@tripit.com, and the app will organize everything for you. The ability to access your itinerary anytime and share it with others makes TripIt an excellent tool for hassle-free travel planning. Another app worth mentioning is Dayuse, which is perfect for travelers with long layovers. This app allows you to book a hotel room for a few hours at a fraction of the overnight rate. You'll have access to thousands of hotels across 23 countries, and cancellations are free up to the last minute. With Dayuse, you can relax, freshen up, or get some work done during your layover, all while enjoying full use of the hotel's amenities. For those who want to track flights in real time, FlightAware is an excellent app. It provides real-time updates on flight statuses, making it easy to track your own flight or someone else's. Whether you need to know if a flight is delayed or on time, this app helps you plan accordingly, saving you from unnecessary waiting at the airport. The next app is Hopper, designed to help you get the best deals on flights. With Hopper, you can monitor flight prices and receive notifications when there's a price drop, ensuring you book at the right time for the best price. The app also allows you to compare prices and amenities across different airlines, making it easier to find deals you might have missed. Another useful app is Grab Airport, which helps you locate food options near your gate and even allows you to pre-order meals for pickup, avoiding long lines. It's especially helpful when time is tight and you want to grab a quick bite without missing your flight. When you need to find a restroom quickly, Flush is the app to use. It shows the nearest public restrooms, whether they are free or require a fee, and whether they offer disabled access. This app is user-friendly and works even without an internet connection, making it a must-have when traveling, especially in places where finding a public restroom can be a challenge. For those concerned about jet lag, Flux is an app that adjusts your device's display to match the time of day. By reducing blue light exposure at night and mimicking natural light during the day, it helps regulate your sleep cycle, which is crucial for minimizing the effects of jet lag. Flux works automatically based on your time zone, making it a valuable tool for frequent travelers. It's also important to consider your online security while traveling. VPN apps are essential for ensuring safe internet use, especially when connected to public Wi-Fi networks at airports, hotels, or cafes. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, protecting sensitive information such as bank account details, emails, and online purchases. Using a VPN makes your internet connection more secure, providing peace of mind while traveling. Another essential app is the airline app of the carrier you're flying with. Airline apps provide real-time updates on flight statuses, allowing you to stay informed about any changes. Many apps also offer features like rebooking options, entertainment content, and contactless payment methods for in-flight purchases, which are increasingly common. Having the airlines app ensures you stay ahead of other passengers in case of delays or cancellations. A currency conversion app is another must-have for any traveler. XC Currency is a simple, user-friendly app that provides real-time conversion rates for a wide range of currencies. It helps you avoid overpaying by giving accurate conversion rates, and it eliminates the need for mental math when converting prices during your trip. Lastly, managing shared expenses while traveling with friends or family can be made easier with Splitwise. This app simplifies the process of splitting costs, whether it's for meals, transportation, or other expenses. You can create groups, invite people, and track who owes what. Splitwise ensures that everyone pays their fair share, avoiding confusion or awkward conversations about money. By using these apps, you'll streamline your travel experience and make the most of every trip. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tools.